Hey everybody, MaxMalty1516 here, back again with another Thomas Wooden Railway review. So today, we'll be checking out Rickety, so let's go ahead and get into it. Rickety was first introduced in his original variant in 2000 into the Wooden Railway. Since then, he's had 4 variants in the Thomas Wooden Railway range, and I have 2 of them here to show you. So first off, we've got this regular teal Rickety, and this is my favorite Rickety model. I really like this model. I think it's a very nice truck. Yeah, it's just really nice. It's simplistic, and remember when we actually used to get like rolling stock and I miss that. I miss having good rolling stock. My Rickety, since this is from my childhood, I'm surprised I kept him in such good condition. I played with him so much as a kid that I broke his cam wheel thing. So what you're supposed to do is, like on this chocolate Rickety here, if you roll him along the line, he rocks back and forth, just like the one truck in Giggling Troublesome Trucks pack. Fortunately, my Rickety doesn't do that anymore. I mean, you can still do it manually, but you can do this, which is equally as cool. So yeah, this Rickety, I think the face is really nice. I like all the detail, and I really like the color. So eventually, another model of Rickety came down the line, and it is the Chocolate Factory Rickety. So this model is, it's got the same face and all. Mainly, it actually has quite a bit of different detail from the other Ricketies. As you can see, it doesn't really have like all the metal beams on the side and everything. It's actually just very odd, actually. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to look like or anything. I don't really know why they had to make it Rickety, but they did. He's filled with chocolate now. Mr. Jolly's chocolate, and he just says Rickety on the bottom, even though he's, mainly known as just Chocolate Rickety or Mr. Jolly's Chocolate Factory Rickety or whatever you want to call him. I think this is a really nice model. It was actually pretty hard for me to find. I actually just got him recently. So, yeah. I actually think Rickety looks really nice in dark green. Yeah, and I think, this is really cool. I'm not really sure why they decided to use Rickety, but I'm honestly glad they did. The Cookie Factory pack, whatever it's called, that was a really cool pack. I wish I had it. But I just bought Rickety secondhand by himself. So, Rickety, again, is very simplistic. Mainly just a box that rocks back and forth on a chassis. But, I think Rickety's really nice. I like the Troublesome Trucks a lot. And, pairing them with Fred and Scruffy and all the others, you can make, a nice little goods train. So, Rickety did have 2 other variants. I'm pretty sure the Cookie Factory cars came out, I want to say 2005, but maybe 2006. So, yeah, this Rickety, yeah, he's pretty common. Sort of common. I mean, he was sold for about 4 years. Then, in 2004, definitely the rarest Rickety, there was the Travel with Thomas set. That came with the orange Rickety. I have no idea why they made orange Rickety. Weird one-off item, extremely rare, hard to find. I don't have them, obviously. I mean, you can probably find other videos on YouTube or just look at them on the wiki. But, yeah. Orange Rickety exists, and probably the most common version of Rickety is the Gold Mine Rickety. So, it's really weird. It's like just color of a gray troublesome truck with gold in them, and then he was sold with the original Gold Mine set made by Learning Curve for about 6 or 7 years. Now, Mattel had made this truck. And you're probably thinking, hey, it's just a regular truck. Nope. Apparently, this is supposed to be Rickety in CGI. I really hate this, in all honesty. I think it's really ugly. I'm so glad that they didn't, they didn't use this cam. This is so ugly. I'm so glad they didn't use it for the regular Giggling Troublesome truck. I don't know why they did. I mean, it looks like he's a lot more loose on the chassis. It's all plastic. This model's a fail. You know what? I can't even call this Rickety. I don't even know why. I don't know. I do not consider this to be a Rickety. It's just a repaint of the Giggling Troublesome truck, or the one that doesn't giggle, but the other one that came in the pack. Just a darker gray, and then the ballast was repainted into this copper color thing, and then he's just got the regular ugly CGI face. So this Rickety sucks. Get it out of here, and then buy these, buy the orange Rickety, buy the original Gold Mine Rickety. Just stay away from this. I mean, it is harder to find, especially since it came in the Mattel version of the Gold Mine set, the one I have. But yeah, definitely just don't pay attention to that, and take a look at these two. Take a look at the orange one and the gold mine one. Yeah, Kikray did a really good review on these if you want to see all four of them together. But this is just my 2 cents on the models, and hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, Maximus1516, signing out.